Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use Amex point for your flights. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all we'll just open here this article. So first of all we can just to redeem the Amex point for a flight, you have to first transfer the point into the airlines points. Okay, so let us take here example Hawaii Airlines. If you want to convert, there is 1,000 point equals to 1,000 Hawaiian miles. Okay, and here is also for the Marriott Bancoy. So same thing here. So when you will just do like this, so you have to click on book or upgrade travel, then you have to click on the explore Amex. Then here you have to select the which flight you have taken, like for example if you're taken Air China or any flight. Okay, here we have many of flight major of the flights on here, so we can directly just see from here. So after that, like after spending, you will automatically get a refund or get a credit by your Amex, and this is how we can just do. So you can just get a credit like this. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.